he knows not. वो कहते हैं इंडियन माइंड इज वेरी confused. These people, they do not know that he, एक वर्ड में लिखते हैं he knows, next में लिखते हैं he knows not, but they try to at the same time damage the religion also by saying this. Why? Because they say no, these people, they have a very good thing that they are posing an inquiry into the religion. So what is important is they are posing an inquiry, and still till the end they will remain in the same status that he knows not. So why? So their conclusion is that they say Indians are always asking questions. They will try to worship God, they will try to worship trees, they will try to worship light, they will try to worship dog, they will try to worship owl, because so the vehicle of goddess Lakshmi is owl. They will try to worship donkey, they will try to worship buffalo. So they pose as if the Hinduism is or our Vedic Sanskriti or the Sanskrit itself, they are the mass of information which is just a silly inquiry into the things, and it is very childish. Means just like a child goes on inquiring and remain only in that state throughout his life. So they say it is a religion of inquiry, and they go on inquiring. They do not know what is the real meaning of the text, and they themselves are confused and likely to confuse others. So if you see actually how this should be interpreted, and now you see, so this is how second theory, if you see in Vedas, I don't know whether you go to the net how much time. Second is the Aryan invasion. If you see the theory of Aryan invasion, I will tell you in a nutshell, in a very crude word, so that you understand really these people say in a very sophisticated way. So we are not able to catch actually what they are saying. What is the Aryan invasion theory? This was actually promoted in the Western circles. The basic idea is that in India, there were a group of old people 5,000 years back. In India, what was happening? They had no culture, they had nothing, and even then the Aryans came. These Aryans they were Westerners, they were very knowledgeable persons, and when they came to these people, they found out these are very joker kind of people living here, and they are very confused. They say, okay, we will teach you Vedas. And then they wrote the Vedas, and the Aryans, they wrote the Vedas and taught it to the local people. So local people, aborigines were Indians, and then these people, they migrated to south, and now they are Dravidians, and the Aryans, the higher race was Aryans. So there was a caste system came into the system, because they were higher people and they were lower people. So like that they divided the society. So what is important is now we have to understand that if you look, I will start with the now scientific, how we have lost our, we will say Sanskriti and the Sanskrit itself. Now they pose as if the Sanskrit was not invented by us, or it was not our language, it was a language of some European schools and it has come from outside. So it is very sorry figure if you will be very shocked that, and those people, they knew nothing of it. But if you see, it is very strongly favored by very many groups. Now what is important, if you see Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, now who will speak for us? It is the science itself. When you see Harappa and Mohenjo-daro was dug, they are 5,000-year-old architecture, right? So architecture will not tell a lie. What if I have posted 4 videos, if it's possible we'll see it right now. In these 4 videos I have shown that what is there in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These people 5,000 years back, those people who were living there, these people are posing that these people were just confused, and they were having good drainage system. But they say why they were having this good drainage system? Because they were sacrificing their cows. And when they sacrifice the cows, the blood will come out. And when blood will flow, where this blood should go? That's why they made the drainage system. And you will be surprised, in Hinduism, it is the thing that you worship the cows. But these people, they say no, they will. If you see Indus Valley civilization, they will just say they sacrifice the cow. And in fact, because if you see on Indus Sea, there is a cow is made. So they say why the cow is shown in the Indus Sea, because they have just sacrificed the cow. And whereas in Hinduism it is totally different, because so they wanted to mutilate the religion up to that extent. They will say it is not that they are worshipping the cow. If you go to the net, they will say they have sacrificed the cow, and just to prove that Indus Sea was created at that day, because where the blood will flow, so they have to make the drainages. So they made the drainage not for a better quality of life, not for a good lifestyle. And if you read the civilizations 5,000 years back in Europe, in whole of the America, there was none of the civilization can match. If you read the history, as a teacher you will know that none of the civilization was living in those kind of, we say, urban civilization. There was nowhere there was a good drainage system as good as in Indus Valley. So Indus Valley was a part of India. If you see, read the Ashoka and Chandragupta Maurya's area regiment, the present Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan and whole of the India, they were in the, what we say, the United Bharat. That was here in this culture. Now if you see now how we have to say that the Vedas were written here and our Indian people were themselves, they were Vedic. Now to that thing I have done an effort is that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro architecture, which was the हिंदी में बोलना पड़ेगा, मेरे को बताएंगे। अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, बहुत बढ़िया। नहीं ठीक है सर, सभी सर समझ रहे हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बिल्कुल समझ रहे हैं हिंदी में। नहीं लगे रहो सर, थोड़ा सा बीच में सर, बिल्कुल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
डॉक्टर साहब है तो बहुत बढ़िया, लेकिन मेरे जैसे जो संस्कृत माध्यम से बड़े उनको केवल 25% ही समझ में आया है।
मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा बोल।
सॉरी सर, सॉरी।
अब देखिए, इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जो वैदिक संस्कृति थी, जो मैं मोटा सा बताना चाह रहा हूँ, हमारे को इसमें दो चीज़ें इम्पोर्टेंट है। एक तो कि हमारे को ये बोला गया है कि जो वैदिक लोग आए ये बाहर से आए, ये हिंदुस्तान के उपज नहीं थे। एंड नंबर दो कि इन लोगों ने आके वेद लिखे। अगर आज हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि वेद हमारे लोगों ने लिखे, ये हमारी संस्कृति के जुड़े हुए हैं, तो हमें ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि साइंस का सहारा लेना पड़ेगा। उसमें आप लोगों की टीम, आप लोगों को भी जागरूक होना पड़ेगा। उसमें सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि आप एक तो नेट यूज़ कीजिए, डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में यूज़ कीजिए। नंबर दो, और नेट पे इतनी ज़्यादा मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन है या उसको गलत ढंग से प्रोजेक्ट किया गया है, तो उसको आपने देखना है और उसको समझना है। अब वैदिक अपने को कल्चर को प्रूव करने के लिए उसमें मैंने एक जो एफर्ट की है, 4 वीडियोस मैंने, अगर आप जाएंगे गुप्ता मॉडल डीकोडिंग इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, गुप्ता मॉडल डीकोडिंग इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, उसमें आप देखेंगे इन वीडियोस में मैंने ये उस माध्यम से प्रूव किया है कि जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन मोहनजोदाड़ो का आर्किटेक्चर है, ये हमारे को दिखाता है कि वहाँ वैदिक लोग रहते थे और उसकी जो डिज़ाइनिंग है वो वेदा के हिसाब से किया गया है, वैदिक साइंस के हिसाब से की गई है। तो उसको कैसे डिकोड करना है उसमें अभी वीडियो में आपको दिखाता।
इंस्टॉल तो हो गया है,
मैं आईफोन से कर दूँगा,
इंस्टॉल हो गया, इंस्टॉल हो चुका है, देख लो आप।